Welcome to Zeo. In this video, we'll walk you through our add-on plans, extra tools you can enable to make your delivery notifications automatic and effortless. Let's get started. Step 1. Where to find add-ons. First, open your Zeo dashboard, then click on Add-Ons. Here you'll see different plans that you can subscribe to. Each one focuses on keeping your customers informed at different stages of their delivery. Add-on 1. Message trigger for all users. Sometimes you want to update everyone in your route at once, for example, telling them their delivery day has started. With this add-on, you can do exactly that. One single click and all customers scheduled for today's routes get the same message instantly. It's quick, it's simple, and it saves you the time of sending individual updates. You can get free access to this add-on if you're on our fleet management plan. Add-on 2, Route Started Alert. This one works automatically. The moment your driver starts their route, customers on that route get a notification. It's perfect for giving customers a heads up so they can be ready to receive their parcel. Add-on 3, Upcoming Stop Alert. Here's where the automation gets really smart. Once the driver finishes their previous stop, whether it's marked as successful, failed, or skipped, the customer whose parcel is next will get an automatic message saying their delivery is on its way. No need for manual updates. The system does it for you. Add-on 4, One Day in Advance Route Alert. This add-on is all about planning ahead. Let's say you want your customers to know about their delivery a day early. You can set a custom time, and all customers who have a delivery scheduled for tomorrow will get a reminder today. It's great for reducing missed deliveries because people are prepared in advance. Add-on 5, Completed Stop Alert. Once a stop is done, your customer wants to know the result. Was it delivered successfully, or did something go wrong? With this add-on, they'll get a message as soon as the stop is marked as complete, so they're always updated without having to check in with you. Important note, all these add-ons send updates as messages. Zeo automatically gives each driver 250 messages per month for free, no matter which plan you're on. But if you use more than that, you'll need to buy extra. That's where message packs come in. After you've purchased an add-on, it will appear in your add-ons dashboard with a simple toggle option. You'll see an enable/disable switch next to each add-on. This means you can turn an add-on on when you want to use it or turn it off if you don't need it right now. And that's the basics of our add-on plans. They help you keep customers informed automatically, from before the delivery starts, right up until it's completed. If you'd like to learn more about message packs and how to get extra notifications when you run out, check out our message packs video next. Happy routing with Zeo!